TUT coin has suddenly shifted into high gear, with the token trading near $0.063 after an impressive 53% jump today. This is a major one-day move, showing that buying activity has accelerated sharply and that market attention around TUT has increased. A rally above 50% is a completely different situation from a normal daily gain. Moves like this can bring a wave of momentum traders, but they can also make the market extremely unpredictable as early holders begin deciding whether to take profits. The current $0.063 area is now an important point for the token. If TUT can remain close to this price after such a powerful rally, it could indicate that buyers are attempting to establish a new trading range rather than immediately giving back the gains. Still, a correction would not be surprising. After a 53% surge, traders who entered at lower prices may lock in profits, potentially creating sharp selling pressure. The price could therefore move rapidly in either direction. TUT's future momentum may depend on ecosystem activity, adoption, community participation, trading interest, project developments, and the overall sentiment surrounding the cryptocurrency market. The broader market will also matter. If Bitcoin and major cryptocurrencies continue performing well, TUT could potentially benefit from stronger risk appetite. A sudden market-wide correction could make it difficult for the token to maintain such a large daily gain. The big question now is whether $0.063 can become a new base. Holding around this area would show considerable strength after today's move. A quick rejection, however, could lead to consolidation or a significant retracement. Buyers remain aggressive, TUT could potentially continue searching for higher price levels. But after a 53% rally, volatility and profit-taking risk are considerably higher than usual. For now, TUT coin is trading around $0.063 and is up approximately 53% today, making it one of the most noticeable short-term movers. The next few sessions could be crucial in determining whether today's explosive rally develops into sustained momentum. A continuation would strengthen the bullish picture, while a sharp reversal could erase a meaningful portion of today's gains.